Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you fine and well. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another video. As you have seen from the thumbnail to the title of the vlog, it's going to be a side hustle business, and specifically for my girls and women out there. I want you guys to earn the bag easily, faster, without any stress, and that is the main intention of this vlog. I recently did make a video of side hustle businesses for women and girls out there, and a lot of you guys have experimented out with them. They are working for you. I'm getting all the amazing feedback on my specific business WhatsApp number, which I'll be leaving on screen in case you have any inquiries, when it comes to business. But I've been so happy seeing you guys experiment with those business ideas, and and they are making you money, and I'm so grateful for that. Also for this one, make it the point that you grab your seat tightly, get a pen and a paper so that you can note each and every one of the ideas I'm going to be giving out from number 1 to number 5. Hopefully, if number 1 doesn't work for you, I'm very sure number 5 will work for you. The other truest intention of this video is to help you actually realize that it is far much easier to make money, especially in the current kind of situation we are in Uganda or in a particular district here in the region of Uganda than what you think. Very faster, easier, even when you are having a full-time job. But again, before I dive into the vlog, if this is the first time you're watching me going over here, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc, Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Feel free to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share out with friends and family. Yes, without wasting any of your time, guys, this brings me to the first one. This is social media, and I remember very well talking about social media in that vlog. By the way, if you didn't watch that vlog, the side hustle businesses for women, I'm gonna be leaving it linked in the description box below. There is a lot of interaction with that vlog. Make the point that you go check it out. But again, I had to bring this point back when it comes to 2023. Guys, people are making social media their full-time job. If you are not aware, please come out of that comfort zone. If you need to have a little bit much, even not a little bit, but you need to have much more money, I'm talking about disposable income aside, even with your full-time job, it is high time you left procrastination and beautifully walked into this space of social media. I know a lot of people currently earning over 6-figure, but from social media, and specifically when I talk about social media, I want you guys to think broadly, think out of the box, because currently there are a lot of them, but also in that bubble of a lot of them, there are those that I'm sure that you are going to be able to earn at least $100 every month if you are willing to put in the hard work. And that social media platform is YouTube. Yes, it's YouTube. And also there is TikTok. When it comes to TikTok, especially to African countries, specifically in Uganda, I'll talk for Uganda, I think here there isn't monetization like how it is in other countries, but here a lot of TikTok creators actually base more on brand endorsements and all that, of which is also a very good category to bring extra money on table faster and easier. Social media is the only kind of side hustle business you are going to do when you are self-reliant. You don't need anyone to come around chasing you. You don't need a boss to be shouting for you. You don't need anything. You are self-driven. It is very flexible. This week you can decide to put out videos, like how many videos you want. Next week don't put out any videos. So it's a business idea I would recommend to you a lot. It doesn't require actually a lot to start. I actually have come up with a program specifically for people who want to learn how to grow, optimize, edit videos, and grow their YouTube channels or personal brands here on YouTube. I'm gonna be leaving my business WhatsApp number on screen. Feel free to contact me, and we come up with a specific, design plan for only you to fit into your category. But nevertheless, social media is such a very good green, kind of pasture currently when it comes to side hustle businesses, of which you can earn from every other corner. When it comes to YouTube, there is Google AdSense, there is affiliate, space, there is solo sponsorship, there is super thanks, a lot of different ways that you can be able to actually employ, make money faster and easier without any stress, and also keeping your 9-to-5 job. This brings me to the second one, my girls and women out there. This is middlemen. And I'm saying middlemen but slash middle women because you know that job is globally known as middleman, but I want to change it to slash it with middle woman because we are dealing right now with you guys specifically. You know, do you know that you can actually be the intermediate person who is between the, you know, the wholesaler and the final consumer of a product? And it can base on a lot of different products. You know, it can be beauty products, it can be, you know, clothes, it can be machinery, it can be a lot of different things. It just needs you to be a little bit attentive and being intentional about the product you want to start being a middle woman of. Go out there in the market, in Chikubo or in a market, try to look and source out for these different things, know where they are, talk to the owners, move down into the, you know, the community, find out people who want these products and make it the point that you reach them these products. A lot of people don't have all the time on earth, especially very busy people, to go into the town or market areas or different arcades to source and look out for these different things. But you can be able to be that middle person who can be able to get them all those things at a particular price or at a particular cost, then take those things to them. It is such a very green opportunity, especially to people who don't need a lot of stress when it comes to side hustle businesses. It is as easy as going into a shop, looking at different perfumes, knowing the prices, coming out into the community, you know, sourcing out for customers and which products, specifically perfumes, you are selling. If they agree, go pick up the products at a particular price, sell those perfumes to them and get your commission. As simple as that. You know, it is such a very good opportunity, and I would recommend it to you guys a lot and a lot. The third one, guys, first of all, lend me your ears a little bit and let me explain to you this concept of modern hawkering or a modern hawker. You know, generally when a person talks about a hawker, you just know, generally here we call them abatembe. But the main reason why I'm saying modern hawker, adding on the word modern, because we are going to be doing it a little bit in a modernized way. We are not going to be going around with the whole of our stock door to door, checking out people who want to buy different things. No, we are going to do it in a slightly smart, organized way. How are we going to be able to do this? We are going to be using the power of social media. Social media is coming in once again. This time around, you might not be a content creator, but you might be an active user of social media. I want you to just learn and know about different products and things, people in your circle. This might be your friend, this might be your workmates, this might be people you be around most of the time. Your fellow students know what they really love when it comes to clothing, when it comes to food, when it comes to different things, skincare, perfume, body products, all those different things. Know what literally they want. Go buy those things in bulk, have them in stock. Then, you know, you using social media on your WhatsApp statuses and Instagram stories, post that you have these different things. You can also, as a matter of fact, you know, meet them one-on-one, explain to them that I've ever heard that you actually wanted such and such a product. I really have it, and it's at this particular price. It is going to help you a lot, and a lot not only to make money, but also, you know, understand this concept of entrepreneurship. This brings me to the fourth one, guys. This is learning a skill, especially when it comes to makeup and proper skincare. Guys, I've also just realized that this is such a beautiful, amazing side hustle business to make money faster and easier in your free time. I've just realized that people, especially around, you know, this season we are in, not only this season but also other seasons, people are always looking out for people to do their makeup. People are always looking out for people to provide good skincare tips and skincare kind of, you know, related information too, and also sometimes teach them how to do, you know, their skincare routines, how to develop a skincare routine. Most of the time these things you might think that they are, you know, specific for people who went to school and actually studied them, but it is not like that. You know, it's not like that. The thing is, if you can be able to lean in into, and I'm saying leaning in because I know sometimes it might be hard, sometimes it might need a little bit of capital input to put in, but the thing is, if you are willing to be able to pay someone or lean into, you know, learning these skills such as doing makeup makeup, doing very simple, not only very simple, glamorous, makeup looks, doing birthday makeup looks, learning all those different things, paying someone to teach you about skincare, using social media as YouTube. It has a lot of different videos that you can be able to learn from, different skincare, preps, how to develop skincare routines, how to pick up, skincare products, how to do makeup, how to lay your foundation, how to do brows, how to do a lot of different things. As soon as, or as long as you're willing to lean into the skill, learn the skill, it can literally also pay off, especially the kind of season we are in. And I've realized this because a lot of people, most of the time, from experience, they are always, sending me messages here and there. Tanya, can you be able to come do my makeup at this particular amount of fee? Can you be able to, spare for me something like 30 to 40 minutes? We talk and we develop together a skincare routine basing on how my skin looks. And let me tell you guys, this consultation or this particular period of time we are going to be sitting together, they are willing to pay. And I want to reflect the same energy to you. For me, it has taken me, some few years to actually learn this art or this space of skincare, and also learn this skill of makeup. And for you, it can be, also some few months, because by the time I was learning, I didn't have any person who was teaching me. I had to learn by try and error. But if you have a person who can teach you how to do makeup, how to develop skincare routines, how to do all those amazing things, you can pay in, learn the skills, and be able to practice them out in the community or in the society. Most of the time, people are looking for people, as I told you earlier on, to do their makeup, to help them develop skincare routines. And I promise you, with time, you are going to be also able to, diversify into that particular lane, such as, starting up a beauty shop, an online beauty shop, where you go do someone's makeup, and at the end of the day, sell them a lipstick, sell them a foundation, something like that, which is absolutely very, very simple to operate even when you have your 9-to-5 job or your full-time job. And actually, this brings me to the last side hustle business, you guys, I would love to recommend to you. This is housekeeping. And for housekeeping, I want to be specific for a specific group of people who have grown up in communities or in societies where we are able to do house chores. This is also a very, very good side hustle business for you. We can always do this in the evening or, on weekends after your 9-to-5 job, after school or something like that. It is also very simple, especially one of these days, to get clients. It is absolutely very, very simple. I always advise people, start from your circle, people around you. People are always looking for people to help them clean their house, keep up their house, do a little bit of simple house chores, such as, doing utensils, cleaning either verandas, those things, scrubbing either the compound, such things. And I would recommend you guys that most of the time, I would recommend you to actually charge per the hour you are going to be doing. This is something which is known to the Western world, but I've realized that people are engraving it right now in the current community. I can't tell you enough how many people I've talked with, especially in Uganda right now, and they are actually charging per an hour. It might be little money, but again, even though it is little money, about 3,000 Ugandan shillings, if I've worked for 10 hours, that is 30,000 Ugandan shillings. So most of the time when you describe the situation to the person, to the boss who wants to employ you to do their house, kind of chores or keeping or something like that, it also gives them a picture of how many hours, they would like you to be around to do a particular chore or to do specific chores for them. And most of the time you can do this, on weekends, in evenings, as I said earlier on. With that said, guys, I hope that this video was a little bit, inciting in a very positive way to let you know that it is far much easier to actually, make extra income. I would recommend you a lot, guys, to do your research, to believe in yourself. When you decide on something, please go out there, look out for the opportunities, because whatever you believe in that you can achieve it, you can literally achieve it. For example, all the business side hustle business I've talked about, It is a matter of fact of you believing and actually putting out yourself there. You can be able to do mega big things. Yes, let me in the comment section below other side hustle businesses you think currently women and girls can actually start up from in a society or in a community you are in, so that we can learn from each other. Until we meet next time, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share out with friends and family. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.